Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 9th, 2023. Hope everybody had a good Easter out there. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. If you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible to help the YouTube algorithm get these videos out to more people, so that way they can view our forecast content. I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank y'all very much. If anybody out there knows anybody that would love to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, send them my way. Love to have them. Okay. Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about the weather charts for your Monday and Tuesday. We're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We're going to take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory. Take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today and this evening. And also, we're going to take a look at the CIPS analog for day 5 through 8 for severe weather probabilities. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started with this video here. Let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast. As you can see, we'll start off in the northeastern United States. We got some showers up here, portions of New York, all the way into portions of southern Canada. Also some up here in portions of Michigan, and also over toward Wisconsin. High pressure dominate pretty much the East Coast. We got a low pressure system down here near Miami area with some shower and thunderstorm in y'all's vicinity. Also extending through the Gulf of Mexico, back into Texas and Mexico, all the way into Oklahoma, Kansas City, and Iowa, with some thunderstorm activity there. Also, we have high pressure dominate pretty much over Minnesota to Montana, and also back down into the southwestern portion of the United States. The northwestern United States, you got another area of low pressure and a cold front dropping into the area with mixed precipitation and rain showers extending from just north of San Francisco all the way into Vancouver, Canada, and through Washington State and Oregon as well. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to Tuesday's forecast. We got some rain and mixed precipitation over portions of New Hampshire all the way back into Maine and southern Canada. High pressure pretty much dominate most of the United States, except the exception of southeast Georgia and the Florida area, all the way into the Gulf of Mexico, back over toward Houston, Texas, and the Dallas, just south of Dallas, Fort Worth area there, mainly southeast Texas, and also over here in portions of the northwestern United States. We have some mixed precipitation, snow, and rain for portions of northern California, all the way into Vancouver, Canada, back to east into Montana, and portions of northwest Wyoming and Idaho as well. Alright, let's move on to let you see what's going on here. We got quiet conditions pretty much along the central and east coast of the United States. Rain showers offshore of the Carolinas and down into Florida, South Florida, getting in on some shower and thunderstorm activity. Mexico as well. Also, we have some shower and thunderstorm activity over portions of Texas, all the way into portions of Kansas, all the way up into portions of Minnesota, also Wisconsin. You're seeing a few shower and thunderstorm activity. We do have a few severe thunderstorm warnings going on in Texas as well. You'll see that on the warning map here in a minute. And there's that system coming into the Pacific Northwest with rain and mountain snow. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at the watches, warning, and advisories. We got a lot of frost and freeze warnings in effect for all the way from portions of Pennsylvania all the way through Delaware, down in Washington D.C., down into Virginia, all the way down towards Greensboro, North Carolina, and also not too far from Charlotte. And also we have some in portion of northeast Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, and western West Virginia. We have some flood warning, surf advisories, and also maybe some coastal flood warnings in effect for the Carolina coast, South Carolina, all the way down into portions of northern Florida, on over portions of Arkansas and Louisiana, still in Texas. There's a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect. There's 4 more counties under a severe thunderstorm warning. Also, we got some special weather statements up in a portion of Kansas. Also, we have some hydro issues over a portion of northeast Montana, all the way over toward Michigan and Wisconsin, and more over here in portion of Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington State, with some flooding, flash flood watches in effect for a portion of Nevada. And also, we have an avalanche warning over a portion of Utah still in effect. As we can see right here, Alaska's looking pretty well with a few winter weather advisories there, in the island chain of Alaska. Hawaii looks good as well. Okay, here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is through tonight. General thunderstorms over portions of Texas, all the way into portion of up toward Iowa, also over southern Florida. But the marginal risk, this includes the location of Lubbock, Texas, Aberdeen, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, and San Angelo, Texas. Let's see, the tornado probability is less than 2%. The winds is 5%. Those are the same areas I called out. And the hail probability is still 5% in the same vicinity. So if you're in Lubbock, Texas, all the way to Cleveland, Clovis, New Mexico, be on the lookout for maybe some large hail with some of the stronger showers and storms in that vicinity. Alright, we're starting off on day 5. We got some severe weather, possibly over North Texas, all the way back into portions of Kansas and Nebraska. Also portions of Colorado and maybe southeast Wyoming. So, and also 15% chance. That's almost a slight risk for severe weather there. Alright, let's move on to day 6. It gets a little bigger. And it extends all the way up into southwest Minnesota, all the way down into Texas. We have a 30% chance. That's almost a enhanced risk for severe weather. This would be around the 14th and 15th time frame of this week. Let's take a look at day 7. I guess a little bit bigger, I think. Yep. It extends from Iowa all the way back into Texas, all the way over toward Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama, with severe weather. 10% probability, 15%, 30%. So that's pretty good. The 15th to 16th time frame. So that would be coming up this weekend into the following week. And let's take a look at day 8. Probability. As you can see, we got a little pocket over a portion of Virginia and portion of Washington, D.C. area. And also down here in the southeast from Mississippi all the way through Alabama and Georgia, with a little bit of pocket of a 15% risk there, maybe just southwest of Atlanta, Georgia. Alrighty. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you know anybody that would love the weather and love to consider subscribing to my channel, send them my way. Love to have them. Like these videos, share these videos, and enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And we will catch you back in the next one.